guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing good. Yeah, and today I'm gonna take you guys to any suggestions?
To Africa.
Alright, yeah guys, I'm gonna take you to Ghana today. So we're gonna cook fufu and we're gonna cook chicken light soup. Yeah, and you know, sometimes you might get bored at local food. Well, it's very hard to get bored at Jamaican food, but you know, sometimes you want to, you know, put something different on your table. So I'm gonna show you what else you can make in Jamaica, because all the ingredients are affordable and all the ingredients are local. You can get it in Jamaica with no problems. Yeah, all right, so more options to your table. So I hope you guys gonna use my recipe or cook it for your family. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna show you what going on. Okay, so I already did a little work, so come here, Errol. I'm gonna show people. So I have here roasted chicken. Yeah, just gave it, just gave it a little color, you know. I roasted it in the oven for about 15 minutes or something, just to heat a color, you know, because I don't really like boring meat, so it has to be colorful. Yeah, so what we have, and I put a little bit of water because it's a light soup. We're gonna steam it a little bit here, soup and a stew. Yeah, what else I have here, let me show you guys what we are going to use. Yeah, what we are going to use. So for the chicken, we're going to use this mixture. And I'm going to show you guys what's in there. I'm going to tell you guys what's in there. Yeah, because I already made it. And if you economy the time, already blended and everything kind of ready. So we just need to drop it in another pot and that is it. So I use one head of onion.
Head of onion? You cut onion or two?
Yeah, we just use one onion. One just white onion. Yeah. I put one white onion in my blender. Then I put one garlic, one clove here, and then put 1.5 ginger. Yeah, peel it and put it in a blender. Add a little water, maybe about 250 milliliters or something, and blend it together. So this is the mixture, as you can see. That's what came out. Yeah?
Like when you terms them do.
Yeah, so what else we have here on the table? Well, I'm going to use it a little bit later, but just to tell you guys what you have to have. Another onion, white onion, one red scotch bonnet pepper. You can use more than one, but we're not really up to that level of spice. So I'm going to save me health. Not going to use a lot, so I'm going to use only one. Yeah, and the color is not really matter, but like my cook chicken soup, someone to get a little color. Yeah, let it be red. Okay, so now I'm going to use a lot of tomatoes on my plate. As you see, I have plum tomatoes, but if you have round tomatoes, it doesn't matter. So go ahead. If you have huge round tomatoes, just use 2 of them, because I have plum ones. I need a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Then we're gonna need butter beans. Yeah, then chop onion a little bit, half of it, not too much. Tomato sauce. Yeah, but my advice if you use one without basil and all the stuff in it, but I had only one, so I'm gonna work with it. Yeah, but if you're gonna buy it, just buy normal tomato sauce, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, so let it start. Alright, let me start the cooking. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this mixture with my name it already, so you guys kind of, yeah, know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour it over my chicken. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, just like that. And also with this mix, I'm gonna put some seasoning. So normally, you know, normally African people, they use cubes, but we have cubes. We have just only chicken seasoning. Yeah, that's what I could get in the local supermarket. Well, I could get even cubes, but me not really cook it that regular, so me not really make me not really see the sense of me having so much cubes in the house. I prefer powdered. Just gonna sprinkle with our chicken seasoning, give the little flavor, you know. Yeah, so you have other seasoning up to your taste, you know, how you like and how you season it. Seasoning doesn't really matter, I mean, just bring the flavor. Now I have onion already, so I'm adding onion powder. Yeah, I just chicken seasoning mostly chicken seasoning. Yeah, so I don't really cook it, you know, from a long time. I don't cook it, so I don't really even know what I go turn out, you know. I don't really know what I go come out. If we will be able to eat it.
Stay quick in Vietnam, bro.
Yeah, normally they put beer meat, different meat together. So with the chicken soup, they can even put mackerel in it. So I'm not really ready for that kind of mix. Just stick to, you know, standard something. Like I'm gonna put on the chicken. But if you like, you know, different flavors, you can also add it to your chicken light soup, but at the end. Kind of bubble. I'm gonna add a little more chicken seasoning, and now I'm gonna throw my chopped onion in there too. Yeah, mix it together. Mix it together. And some people start with raw chicken.
Raw chicken.
And they just boil it, but you know the skin have color. Like a little brownish color on it. So yeah. Alright, let's welcome. Alright guys, so now we're gonna see it a bubble nice. So what I'm gonna do, put my tomatoes just like that. No need for, you know, peel it and stuff. Just put your tomatoes in there. Alright, your onion and your scotch bonnet pepper, but you know, make sure it not really dip in the water, you know, like kind of like a steam, get a steam. So I'm gonna cover the pot and wait like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna take all those ingredients out and blend it nicely. Okay, it's time to remove all the vegetables and throw them in blender. So I have here again tomatoes, scotch bonnet. Now worry yourself, I'm going to remove all the necessary stuff. I'll drop the pan table for now. Okay.
You see when you jar? Or the tomato and everything?
Just here. Must be spicy though. I'm afraid to dash all of it, so I'm gonna cut a half and throw a half, because no, you know, scotch bonnet dangerous, you know. Scotch bonnet well dangerous. So if you got throw too much, make sure you can manage. But not everybody can manage scotch bonnet. I have to wash my hands good. Yo, man, no. Just gonna leave it somewhere for now. And if it's not spicy, you know that's mad though. If you throw like 4 of them. Back to my chicken. At least it gives it a flavor. Alright, so just gonna throw some tomato paste in there. Not too much too, like 2 tablespoons. Yeah? Not too much. I'll leave the rest for later. A bit more. I'm just gonna put it on the low heat and close it back. Yeah? And blend all the vegetables. Just put a little water for it, so you know, the blender, you know guys.
You have a cover this time?
Yeah, I have a cover.
You put the pot cover for it. No, the mesh soap we put last time.
I find it, but well, waste of time. So just cover.
No, that can't use.
It can use. Just now it's not prettiness. If it were, it would. Now I'm gonna add to this eggplant. I totally forgot to tell you about it. But yeah man, make sure you blend your eggplant from before, okay? About 5 minutes, then pretty, you know, boil fast. So you just add like 4 good pieces of it, not too much, you know, eggplant, purple one. You can easily get it in Jamaica, in the supermarket. I'm not sure if Fruit Man I go have it, but supermarket them always have it. And it's pretty cheap too. And what else am I gonna add? Yeah, butter beans. I don't know, but the lady did call it lima beans. So in Jamaica they call it lima beans too. You never heard it, lima beans?
Butter bean, no.
Always heard butter beans.
Lima beans mark on the tin?
No,
look on the tin.
Google it and
butter
that's
beans.
it. Yeah.
Maybe the same thing.
So guys, maybe your different generation call it different, you know? But a butter beans in Jamaica, they call it. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw it anyway in my blender too with my eggplant. And I'm going to add more water to it. Okay? Just, you know, make sure you have enough.
Swaggy, so when you put so much, it can blend with the plate again?
Yeah, man.
You would?
Alright, it does. It's a head, you know, see?
Yeah, go on, yeah, man. No Billie Jean. Bona Billie Jean.
Alright.
Get the cover.
No, I'm cover there. Lazy
see there?
See
yeah. I know that. When I try to fly it, I'll wait you up. Oh, Art and Billie Jean.
Alright.
Oh, that's better.
Alright, we just, you know, guys.
Yes,
sometimes.
Sorry, go. Struggle you.
It's rough. Come on.
Oh, you strain it from the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you love working on it.
I'm saying I love work.
That's why the man never strain it. Just like man, you just throw the whole lot panic. We don't have time to do that. That's why we don't like cook. It take too much time.
So, guys, question. Have you ever tried to cook African dishes at home? And especially if you're from Jamaica, drop me some more recipes. I'm gonna go try it. You know, I'm already, I'm excited.
Yes,
to give everything a try, you know? And I'm willing to learn.
I mean, I can't have a close relationship. Maybe the Maroons them cook it. And the Maroons them know. Well, let me not talk and jinx myself like coming along. I don't know me history already, so next thing I'm gonna tell people foolishness.
But Ghana though, and most Jamaicans back in the days, they brought them from Ghana. Yeah, so I think we need to make a trip to Ghana with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you some most of Africa one time and it's God's will. Yeah. God spare life, and the kids can get a little bigger.
Like Ghana looks nice and peaceful though.
Yeah, I want to go Ghana.
Yeah, but you know, every time you have to know people where you go.
Yeah,
you know, you can't really just go
randomly.
Yeah, we prefer to know somebody in the country.
Well, I know more than one football player.
Yeah, well, like you say, yeah, you know, football player. So Maybe you're Jamaican living in Ghana. Link quick. When you're ready, you come roll the boat to your place in Ghana. Oh. Yeah. But for real, I see one Jamaican couple, they live in Ghana.
Yeah,
they migrate.
A lot of Jamaicans live in Ghana.
And Bob Marley wife, I think. Somebody called Bob Marley live in Ghana.
No, you know the thing, man. I know a lot of Jamaicans live in Ghana. A lot of.
Yeah.
It's like a Jamaican town in Ghana.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, now I'm open straight flight from Nigeria to Jamaica.
Yeah, so we can fly to Nigeria and then travel to Ghana.
Yeah. Run to the border.
No, I think Jamaicans need visa for go to Ghana.
They don't need?
I think so.
Okay.
I think there was something signed the other day, so we don't need a visa. Or maybe we're not on a direct flight to go there, but we can go to Nigeria and then fly go.
Yeah. I have a couple of friends living in Ghana and them love it so far.
Yeah, maybe that's what we need to fly to Nigeria. And yeah, since it's a direct flight, maybe the best chance we got for go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna just keep spreading it and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna. I'm gonna try to squeeze more of it.
Just don't pit nice.
Yeah. No, you're not good. Alright guys, so far most of the things are ready. And gonna give it a final stir and throw some more salt. Guys, taste the bouillon and make sure it is tasty. I mean, to your taste, because some people really like salty things.
What's the bottle? How about that?
Just a normal seasoning, salt, seasoned salt.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So put more if you want, or leave it how it is. I mean, I love flavored stuff, so I love put flavor, powdered flavors here. So I kind of, I do it. Yeah, just to make it more nicer. So I have plenty seasoning powders. Just dash with them. Most of them just seasoning salt, seasoning mix. Yep. And if you, like I told you, if you have a chicken bouillon cube, Maggi cube, go ahead, throw it in there. I'm gonna have it. And now I'm gonna just, stir it, and also make sure, you try sometimes, I'm gonna try it now to my taste. Just need a little bit more, and I'm closing it now for 20 minutes. And while it is getting done, I'm going to make fufu, guys, and fufu made from cassava, made from green plantain, and we found all the ingredients in Jamaica. We got green plantain, and guys, not every fruit man has green plantain, so may I wonder what Jamaica do with it. So drop in the comment section what you guys do with green plantain. Yeah, guys, this is a cassava.
That's a yam.
So where the cassava? Is a cassava?
Yam a cassava?
Oh, may I buy? No, sir, it looks like the same, just the same like the lady was showing. No, man.
I hope you wrong and me laugh off you.
Well,
it look like it is.
I think you're right, They're different, so
Yam and cassava.
So why you never buy me a cassava then?
You a shop, you remember saying me a shop, And you say you want, say a seat and yeah. You never know what will make your fufu. So make fufu what are you?
This a yam.
Yeah.
So you never?
No, I wouldn't know. But say you the shop,
It's pretty same.
Yeah, so just make it try it.
Yeah, man, maybe just, gonna rock with this thing,
Try it.
Whatever it is.
Because a yam, yeah, and it's gonna be the same thing when you boil it.
Oh, I'm gonna sweat. Me don't know. Okay.
So, yeah.
Me don't know.
Just do
with island.
Yes, but you never said to me anything about any cassava. You're going to the supermarket? You're going to the supermarket and you take up.
Now for me one for you guys. Well, anyway, guys, we're gonna try.
Yeah.
So, guys, Errol cut. No, not that small, like medium cubes here. Yeah. So we're cutting cassava. No, sorry, yam. We're not really. Yeah, I yam that. Yeah. So we're gonna make fufu with yam then. Yeah, but you can also use yam, no problem. They're pretty similar. What do you call that? So anyway, we're gonna cut it on cubes and throw it in the water. Soup is bubbling. Next 10 minutes, 10 more minutes to go. Chicken light soup tastes good. Yeah, man. Process is going. It's loading. Yeah. Alright, guys. So I hope my blender can manage it. I finally blended it all. And here comes my paste. Like I told you, it doesn't have to be too, you know, waterish or too thick, something in between. And try, you know. I need to boil until it is firm and until you can actually, you know, touch it in
like
your
a dough?
hand. Yeah, man, like a dough. So it's gonna take maybe 15 minutes, from 15 to 20 minutes, you know. So we just gonna go and build here and stir it and show you the result. Yeah? Okay. You see, as hot it gets, thicker it becomes. Got to put Errol on work though. I must stir too.
Yeah, come on, your body would have said.
Yeah, because I can't, honestly, I can't manage it too. Difficult for me though. I can't manage. I'm tired. So fufu ready, made from yam fufu. I just wrap it in my whatever it is, wrapping paper. Yeah, just put some fufu in it and wrap it. I'm gonna gently remove the wrap from my fufu and put it in the deep bowl because we're gonna eat it with soup. Okay, so throw it in there. Those are my fufu. This is the light chicken soup. Looks good. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour over the something. Yeah, see, like this. Yes.
Real African food.
Okay, that's it. See, like this. So all you do is just you wash your finger. If you're eating from somebody, yeah, you make sure you wash your finger good, and you wet it a little bit because you know fufu might be sticky. But anyway, you have soup around, so the soup is hot. So make sure you not burn yourself. So you just tip a little fufu, mix it with the whatever you want, chicken meat, and just enjoy yourself here. And I'm gonna put some soup to himself. Nice light chicken soup with my yam fufu. Hey.
So you say use your hands, guys. So
yeah, only hands then. So that's how you eat fufu. So first, I know you're not gonna see my face, but anyway, you just need to see the process. So you do is like you tip a little bit and you squish it in your hand, then you put it with chicken and you dip it in your soup. No bad.
Good. You have style. So
but you need to cool it down.
Come feel it to the fufu with my finger. The soup.
Butter with a spoon.
Fufu with a spoon. You have the different taste now. This is I feel like so yeah. You can't get bored of food. See? You could even tell say I am.
Can say I am?
This tastes good. I guess because of the soup. You get a lot of flavor. There are people from Ghana. From Ghana, if you see this one, comment below, let us know what you think of. I think that's very good. No water. No be water.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching us. Like, subscribe and share as usual. Yeah?
Take care guys.
Take care, bye.
Alright.